So in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to create a campaign with CPV Labs. Now, again, I use multiple trackers. There's different reasons as to why I use different trackers, but for this specific video, I'm going to show you how to make a campaign with CPV Labs. Now, once you have downloaded CPV Labs and you've asked Beyond Hosting to install CPV Labs for you, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to sign into it on your domain name. Okay, so my domain name is dailyproductreviews.com. And you have a literal login information or login page that you can use to log in. So once you've logged in, all I do is I go to press add campaign, and it might change because I'm on the older version of CPV Labs, but it's generally the same flow of things. So you press add campaign at the top, and you press direct link and landing page. Now, multiple options, multiple paths, landing page sequence, lead capture, email follow-up. These are more advanced campaigns, but I'm gonna show you very, very simply what you're gonna do, and this is what I do for like 90% of my campaigns, is I press direct link and landing pages right here. Okay, so add campaign, direct link and landing page. Don't worry about the rest of these. And I'm gonna show you specifically how to install the CPV Labs code into your landing page right now. And that's generally the first step that I take. So what you're going to need to do is once you've downloaded the landing page, so I've used SiteSucker to download the landing page right here. You want to basically navigate to the HTML of that landing page. Okay, so for example, we download the landing page in SiteSucker, so it's gonna load up, maybe not. Okay, so let's say for example this landing page, if I want to download this landing page right now and healthdream.info, copy the landing page right here, open up SiteSucker. That does not want to open up in this video. Okay, give me a second, and I'll just paste it in SiteSucker. And if you're using a Windows computer, you're going to use something called HT Track. And remember, you can get all of this done by having a coder do it for you, and go to upwork.com. Okay, so it's either upwork.com or onlinejobs.ph. I always tell people this. So upwork.com or onlinejobs.ph. You can find a coder to do this for you if you're not technical. And the coder can literally charge you like $5 to do this, or $3. It's very, very quick for a coder to do this. It does not take them any time. And you just give them access to your CPV Labs account, and you can just pretty much tell them to do step 1 and step 2 for you and upload it to your domain name, and they can do it for you in literally like 5 to 10 minutes, if that. So I'm gonna show you how to do it if you want to do it manually yourself. But again, there's a resource, upwork.com or onlinejobs.ph. You can put a job out and just say you need somebody to add some code for you to connect a tracker to your landing page, and they'll do it for you. But all we need to do is go to SiteSucker, download the landing page, press download, and then press folder to open it up. And all the landing pages that you downloaded are going to be within this folder, okay? And once you've done that, or you can use HT Track, okay? So let me just write this down. If you are on Windows, you're gonna use a software called HT Track. If you're on Mac, you're gonna use a software called SiteSucker, okay? And this is going to allow you to download the HTML of a web page. Then once you've done that, you basically want to navigate to where it's downloaded. So I press folder, open it up, and I download the actual, I go to the folder of what I've just downloaded. So for this example, I'm going to use menshealth.com /offer.co because I found a landing page that I want to use. And I open up the folder, which is right here called reaction. You can rename the folders as you wish, but I'm going to open up reaction. And I want to navigate and find the index.html file, okay? Now, one thing you want to keep in mind is you want to make sure that the index.html file that they have, or whatever index file that they have, it's gonna say index.something or index whatever it is, okay? So you want to rename the file that has the landing page on, and it usually looks like a little icon like this, and it just says HTML right here. But you want to rename it as index.html, okay? And it's gonna be the main landing page that has the actual landing page on it. Now, this is also a HTML file, but if we open it up, it's going to go to a blank page. So we don't worry about this. We want to just solely worry about the file that has a landing page on. Okay, so if you just literally just click on all the links till you find the one that has a landing page on. And we always want to keep it called index.html. Okay, so this is the landing page right here. See this? So even if the landing page was called, I don't know, blah, 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 if we were to click it and we can find that this is the landing page that has all of the like text and images on, then we just basically want to rename this random thing and call it index.html, okay? So we're going to rename it as index.html, making sure everything is in small capital letters or small caps, okay? Small capital letters makes no sense. So make sure there's no capitalization. Make sure it says index.html small caps. Then all we want to do is we now want to open this up with our editor, okay? So our HTML editor. Now for this specific video, I'm going to use a HTML editor called Sublime Text. It's free, so make sure you download it. So Sublime Text right here. I'm gonna open it up and you're gonna see all of this code, okay? Now don't start worrying about things. It's not complicated at all. I'm gonna show you how to very simply navigate to what you want. You don't have to worry about editing all of the code and all this kind of stuff like that. I mean, yes, it does look scary, but I'm gonna show you exactly what you want, okay? So all we want to do is we want to connect our CPV Labs account to this page, and we want to very simply change all the links that go to his offer right here, and all the links that go to his offer with our CPV Labs link. Now, please write this down. Please write this down, because I always get affiliates ask me this question. They always ask me, do we get the offer URL from the network and add it to our landing page? Or do we put the CPV Labs link right here and add it to our landing page? Now, I'm gonna tell this to you like multiple times. What you want to do is you want to add the CPV Labs offer link right here, this link right here, okay, between the quotation marks, this link right here, this beautiful link right here. You want to add this one to your landing page. So where it says edit landing page offer links, this is what you add to your landing page. I'm gonna say it one more time. This link right here, inside of my CPV Labs link, instead of my CPV Labs account, is what you add to your landing page. Okay, I don't know how much I can stress that. Just pause this video right now and write that point down, because I always get affiliates ask me this question, and it annoys me sometimes when I tell them this and they still do the complete opposite thing, and I'm like, why am I telling you it if you don't take note of this? So what you're going to do is the offer URL from the network. So the offer URL from A1 Revenue. This is what you're going to add here. So add the offer URL from A1 Revenues, can't spell today, Revenues network here, okay? So this is what you want to do. I'm gonna say it one last time, okay? Make sure you take note of this. So you can't say I didn't cover this. Make sure you add the offer URL from our network. So when you log into A1 Revenues network, okay, and you get an offer link, you add the offer link right here, okay? And I'll have another video of how you can do that. But right now, all we want to focus on is connecting CPV Labs to our landing page. So we add the offer URL from the A1 Revenue network here, and our landing page links are going to be our CPV Labs link right here, okay? And all you want to do is copy what's between the quotation mark. You don't want to copy all of this other stuff, okay? So don't copy this, don't copy this, just copy whatever's in between the quotation marks, okay? Including the HTTP and including the .php. You need this. So very simply, I'm gonna copy everything right now into Notepad. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to delete. So all we want to do is we want to copy what's between the quotation marks. So I'm gonna copy what's between the quotation marks, and this is all you need, okay? So this link right here is all you need. You see that? So do the exact same thing for yourself, okay? So I'm gonna delete this, don't need it anymore. And I'm gonna go back to Sublime Text. So again, all we want to do, very simply, is we want to, let me close this. We want to swap out all of this person's links with our links, because right now if we go to any of these links, so if I just copy link address right here, if I go and click on any of these links, it's going to send me to his page right here, okay? And this is probably going to go to his offer, and we don't want to send traffic to his offer, or else we're going to make him more money. So very simply, all we need to do is click on any link that goes to his offer. So for example, this link, I need to right click it and press copy link address. This is going to tell us where people are going to for this affiliate. So if I press copy link address, people are going to go to his offer right here. So we want to basically replace this link with our CPV Labs link in the code. So replace this link with our CPV Labs link with our CPV Labs link. See that? So to do that, the very easiest way to do that is open up a notepad, do what I just did of right clicking on any link and press copy link address. copy it into a notepad right here, and copy your CPV Labs link into a notepad as well. Okay, remembering that you only want to copy what's between the quotation marks. Once you've now done this, what you want to do is you very simply want to go to the code by opening it up in Sublime Text, okay? And we want to do a find and replace like we do in Word and like we can do in any other application. So we want to go to find, press replace, and what's gonna happen is you want to paste his link and you want to replace it with your link. Very simple. So we're gonna copy this link right here, find it, and make sure there's no spaces, because I've just copied a space. You see that? Now things won't work if I copy a space. So we want to delete any kind of spaces before the link and after the link. Okay, you can see that it starts to find all the places that link out to his offer. See that? It's copying, finding all the places that link out to his offer. And make sure there's no quotation marks or anything like that. You just want to get from where it says HTTP and everything after that, all the way up to .php, okay? I mean, his one might not be .php or HTTP, but you want to basically do the same thing of whatever it is when you press right click, copy link address, and copy it, okay, to a notepad and paste it. Make sure there's no spaces. I copied a space right here, so make sure there's no spaces. Now I want to simply replace it with our CPV Labs link right here, making sure there's no spaces. See, there's a space, I accidentally copied a space. Make sure there's no spaces, or else everything's just going to blow up and not work. So replace with our link, making sure there's no spaces. And the reason why I'm repeating this is because it's a very new mistake, and you're going to end up having a landing page that doesn't work. So we want to copy his link, replace it with our link, and all we want to do is press replace all. See that? And now everywhere that used to link out to his website or his offer URL, it's now going to link to our CPV Labs URL. See that right here? Just a very simple find and replace. And I know I'm going slow, but I want to make sure that you fully understand this. Now the last thing that we need to do, it's very simple, is we want to go to the bottom of the page, and we want to make sure that before this end body tag, and the body tag is just basically a bit of code right here. So before the end body tag, we want to make sure that we paste our step 2, add code to landing page, before the end body tag. So we want to copy this code right here. Doesn't matter what your code is, just make sure you just highlight everything. Make sure you right click, copy it, and then all we need to do is we need to make sure that it's before the end body tag. It doesn't matter if you put enter or just put some spaces in between that. So all we need to do is just paste it right before this tag, right? Not here, not here, not here, right before, I don't know what the heck this character is called, but right before this triangle, right here, okay? So you can just put above, below, whatever it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste it right here before the body tag, the end body tag, which is going to be at the end of their page if you just scroll down to the bottom. So we want to paste this code right here, and you see how it's before the end body tag. And very simply, we want to press file and then save. And now what's gonna happen is, because we called our folder that contains the HTML a specific name, if we go to the index.html file, if we now click on any link, it's going to now take us, so if I just right click and copy link address, it will now take us to our, it will take us, if I just press paste, it's now going to take us to this link, okay, our CPV Labs link. And once we do that, the offer is going to be dynamically displayed depending on whatever you put here. And that's how you can rotate different offers. So all we now need to do is, everything's hooked up with CPV Labs. This is how we hook up a landing page with CPV Labs. All we now need to do is upload this landing page, this bit of code, this file and the folder onto our domain name. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this video right here, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to upload this folder onto our domain name, so we can pretty much host this landing page onto our website.